In this video, I'm going to be showing how to make savory pepper and paprika biscuits, buttermilk biscuits. I really like these, and after making them once, I decided, you know, I might as well make a video. And we start off with 2 cups of flour. This is just generic all-purpose wheat flour. I have here 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and salt and paprika. For the salt, because I want these really salty, I'm going to use 1 full tablespoon of salt. If you don't want them salty and you just want like kind of a mild flavor, more like a bread flavor, then just put half a teaspoon. And then I'm also going to put 1 teaspoon of paprika. So it's 1 teaspoon of paprika and a bunch of pepper that I grinded recently. This is about, I'd say, 1 teaspoon. I think it's a 1 teaspoon. Let's measure it out. Yeah, it's 1 teaspoon of pepper. So these are kind of strong. You don't have, I mean, I wanted to eat some strong flavored biscuits, which is why I added this much salt, pepper, and paprika. But if you want yours more milder tasting, then half a teaspoon of each is fine. Liquid. I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of oil. Most people use butter for biscuits. I find oil easier because I always have oil around the house. I mean, I cook, I like to make stir fry, I like to fry things. I like to cook, so I have oil. Butter, I don't use butter on a regular basis, so I don't always have it. So sometimes I run out because I'm baking, and then all of a sudden, oh no, I need butter. So I like just using oil because I always have oil. Butter is something I'll run out of and remember to go buy. Then 3/4 cup of buttermilk. I actually started making these biscuits because I wanted to figure out what to do with my leftover buttermilk, because I originally bought buttermilk to make crème fraîche. And it was really delicious, and I made multiple batches. I also bought heavy whipping cream, and you know, it's just crème fraîche tastes really good. And you see how a spatula is so useful, and I'll be able to scrape down the sides of the metal bowl. Easy to mix, so a spatula is fine. If it was harder to mix, maybe I'd use a whisk or something, but this is easy, simple. It'll get all sticky, and then you just swish it around. Really red from all that paprika. It's like a paprika and pepper buttermilk biscuit. I roll it out to a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch thickness. Well, not roll it, press it. They say if you want thinner biscuits, you make them 1/4 inch. I like these thick biscuits. Snack, snack. fun. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so this is obviously going to switch back in. You can use any cup or bowl that you like the shape of. I found this on clearance. They called it the cookie cup because it had all these fun shapes that you can press into the cookies, and so far I actually have not made cookies with this. I should make cookies sometime and like upload the video of me making some cookies with this like red cookie cup. Because the oil content, it doesn't stick, which is nice. Because I find it really unpleasant when I have dough stuck to everything and I have to try and get this dough off of whatever it's sticking on. But this doesn't end up sticky. It's just a wet dough. It's just an oily dough. Last one, I'm just going to roll it up, and I don't roll all of them because they say that you get a kind of a different texture when you cut them out. So far I haven't noticed a difference. Maybe if you use butter like some other people do, you might get what they call the flaky biscuit. These seem fine to me without butter, so I've made butter biscuits and I made oil biscuits too, and I'm not too, I guess I'm not that picky, so they both taste fine to me. Not have that too close to the edge. Stick this in. And then I'm going to put these lovely little pads in the oven. And then them for around 15 minutes. I'd say check them at 12 and check to see how they are. If they look done, it's fine. Just make sure they don't burn at the bottom. Some of mine that were left in longer ended up burning at the bottom, even though the top didn't look burnt. Okay, so now we're gonna take them out. They're beautiful, tinted with the buttermilk, paprika. See, they're okay on the bottom. This is how you check if they're burnt. Just flip them over and see. Nice. I want them to cool on a rack. If I want them to cool on a rack, I got these right here. They're hot, so I gotta be careful. Well, I recommend you leave them or just be careful because it's hot. Whew. Fresh paprika, black pepper, and buttermilk biscuits. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you make these, let me know and maybe send me a link to your photo. I want to see how your biscuits turned out and stuff, or what kind of biscuits do you like to make? What kind of flavors do you like? What about the sweet and savory? They call the umami flavor that's popular right now. Do you have any biscuits that are sweet and savory? I've made bacon, black pepper, like maple bacon, candied bacon, black pepper biscuits before. Those are really fun. Well, let me know about the type of biscuits you like to make, and if you make these, let me know also. Next time, later.